Here to talk to you a little bit today about a standalone fax machine as opposed to the software you can get to use your computer as a fax. Now, this is not really a question that I can answer for you. It depends on everyone's specific needs and what technology is available to you. Also, there's a space question. But remember, you'll need to always print out documents. Most of today's fax machines are also laser printers. If you're buying a printer anyway, it just makes sense to get one that also has the ability to digitize and scan a document into it. If you don't have that capability, it's going to be very difficult for you to send documents unless they're in a file in your computer. Sometimes you have a hard copy that you need to send, and if it's not already digitized in your computer, you're going to have problems. So in that case, you want to go with the standalone. The advantage of using a software-based fax would be that if you have a business like I do and you get 1,000 junk faxes a month, that wastes a lot of your paper. If you have them received into your computer, you can just delete them electronically rather than actually waste the paper to print them out. So whether or not you decide that you want a standalone fax or that you want to go ahead and get the software that works in your computer really depends on your needs and wants. So think about it, go talk to a professional, and they'll help you decide.